There is a university that inspires futures. The futures of the young. The future of our way of life. The future of this nation. And the future begins by nurturing possibilities. The future is here, now, where the possibilities are endless.
Hi, my name is Nur Ismail.
My name is Muhammad Ismaili. We are third year student from Nuclear Science program.
Hello everyone, my name is Izan Christina. I am a final year student for Nuclear Science program and I also hold the position as the president of the Nuclear Science Club. Nuclear Science Club, or best known as KESAN, has been established for 40 years. We have held various activities including establishing nuclear debate intervarsity, sending delegation to South Korea, sending trip of students from Nuclear Science Club to Linus Corporation, and sending students to volunteer as facilitator at the National Science Center Kuala Lumpur. And our next future event will follow as Future Energy Generation with the aspiration of TMP.
Hi, my name is Yusman, third year student from Nuclear Science program. I am also the director for this project.
This delegation will be held at Tokyo, Japan, starting from 1st of April to 8th of April.
So why pledge? This project is expected to produce students who meet the global ability of an employable graduate while mastering an excellent values as a student of the National University of Malaysia. You can find more about us at our skolafund.com and our official Facebook page.